Good morning, student of class 7. Today we will study chapter number 9, the case of missing necklace. The case means understand a type of box, missing means lost, necklace you understood, a kind of jewelry. So in this chapter we will study the case of missing necklace. So what is there is activity for you? Imagine that you are playing hide and seek with your friends in a park near your home, and suddenly two thieves are running rush across the park with a policeman chasing them. They throw a small bag behind the tree where you are hiding and ran away with the policeman close behind them. Suppose that you are playing hide and seek in the park nearby next to your home, and suddenly what happened? Wherever you are hiding, two thieves they are running towards you, and they have thrown the bag next to behind the tree, and they rust. Why? Because actually the police are chasing them. So like this the scene is what you will do. You have what you will do. Okay, so here some choice in front of you. Here is your choices. First, you will run behind the policeman and gave him the bag. This one you will do. Or you decide to carry the bag to the nearest police station with your friends and report the incident. This one you will do. Or third, you will tell your parents about it and bring them to the park where the bag lies. Next one, you think it is the better to avoid any trouble and go home. You will not tell anything about it to anyone. You will keep the bag and not tell anyone about it. And last one is there, one of your friends will keep an eye on the bag while you call the police, your parents. So which one the best choice that you have to take? And after discuss in the class that we should be alert citizen. Alert means safe. Okay. So how that you have to discuss here. So read and enjoy. Description of this chapter, that crime statistics indicate a rise in crime in most parts of the world. Apart from the effective polishing, alertness on the part of citizen can help nab criminals who are on the run. Let us read this interesting detective story. Will the little girls succeed in finding the missing necklace? Or will the real culprits be arrested? So let us find out. So here description of this chapter, that crime statistics means graph, means daily how many crimes are. So that is okay, it's very increasing very fast in most part of the world. And actually police, they are very quick, they are effective, they are alert, but we have to also, we are part of the citizen also. So citizen, they can help, okay, to catch the criminals. So this story, interesting detective story, and there are some girls, they are the little girls, and they are succeed in, actually question is there, if that will they are succeed in finding the missing necklace or not. It means they successful or not successful, or real culprit, it means a real guilty person, so that person arrested or not arrested. So let us start this chapter, then we will understand that person arrested or not. Okay, so here first I will read, then I will start. Vidhi looked at the dark sky and said in a complaining tone, Nazma, it's raining again. We cannot play outside. Nazma didn't seem to bother much about it. She said, it does not matter. Let us play in the corridor. Soon they started running around and playing in the corridor. It was a long corridor with doors of the flat of 5 flats opening into it, and there was a lift at the far end. This was the fifth floor of 20 stories storied residential building Vidhi and Nazma were neighbors and family friends. They often played together in the evening. Shubham, who lived on the sixth floor, also joined them. Suddenly, the door of the flat at the farthest end, opposite the lift, opened. A huge man with a thick beard stood there glaring at them. He had red eyes and was dressed in black. He shouted angrily, "Go away, you brats! How dare you to disturb us?" Then the children were aware that some new tenants had shifted into that flat a week before, but they had not seen them. The three friends looked frightened. "Sorry, uncle," Vidhi managed to whisper. The door closed with a bang, and three children went back to their houses. Now let us start. So actually, a story started, detective story. Vidhi and Nazma, there are two girls in the figure. You can check there are two girls and they are playing together. And so actually outside it's dark outside, means weather is not good, so maybe it will start raining. So this is the reason Nazma and Bidhi both had they have decided to play where in the corridor. So this is the reason. So they are talking about let us play in the corridor, and after that they have started what running and playing around the corridor. And it was long corridor actually, and this one was five flats opening into it, and there is a lift also. And after that this one is a residential building. And Vidhi and Nazma both are family friends, both are neighbors, they are good. And after that, in the at the evening time, Shubham also, who was living on the sixth floor, also joined them. It means Shubham, Nazma, and Vidhi, all they are playing in the corridor. And after that, suddenly what happened? There is a huge man with a thick beard looking towards them means at the children. And after he had red eyes and totally dressed in the black, he shouted, "Go away from here! What are you doing here? Don't pray here! You are animal! Don't! How dare you to be here?" And after that, the children understood that there are few neighbors they have already came within a week. Okay, and both are means all they are totally frightened. And after that, Vidhi said she managed to, and she said, "Sorry, uncle, we will not play." And after that, the door of the neighbor it's closed with a loud noise, and after all the three children back to their homes. Okay, now this one I have explained. This is the work for today. Rest tomorrow.